Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective way to send voice messages on Instagram. This feature is perfect for those moments when typing just doesn't cut it. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to connect with your friends or followers. The app's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It resembles a paper airplane and is usually located in the upper right corner. Tap on this icon to access your direct messages. Once you're in the messaging section, open the chat where you want to send your voice message. You can either scroll through your conversations or use the search bar to find the person or group you want to message quickly. Now, here comes the fun part. You'll see a voice recorder icon at the bottom right of the chat screen. Click on this icon to start recording your message. Hold down the microphone button while you speak. You have up to 60 seconds to convey your thoughts, so make sure to be clear and concise. After you finish recording, simply click Send to deliver your voice message. If you change your mind while recording, you can swipe left to delete it before sending. This feature gives you control over what you share, ensuring that only your best messages reach your friends. Using voice messages can make your conversations feel more personal and engaging. It's a great way to express emotions and nuances that text alone might not capture. Plus, it saves time when you're on the go. So there you have it. Sending voice messages on Instagram is quick and easy. Just remember these steps. Open the app, access messages, select a chat, record your message, and hit send. Enjoy connecting with others in a more dynamic way.